Alright guys, welcome back to Mudrunner. In this video we're going to be doing some trailing on S19s Truck Night, the Green Hill. So in this video we're going to be using the S19s TRUCK. Now I'm going to do a couple of videos on this map, so these will be, my Mudrunner videos will be on this map for the next video. So just for this video we're going to be using the troop carrier, so let's get into it. Put some add-ons on, even though we don't need them, we've got dev tools, it still looks nice. That on, antenna. No, I don't really think we need. I think that's it. Alright, let's get into it. Get some fuel. We do have dev tools if we need it, so. Now just real quick, let's have a look at the map here. I think for this video we'll head along the road. Follow us, explore through here, and was it just one trail, is it? Okay, if it is one trail, yeah, if it is one trail, I'll just like relocate the vehicles when I stop at each video. Or if it doesn't take too long to get through or see how far we go, we'll just make it in one video with just the troop carrier, we'll see. Get some drifting in here. Get my thumbnail. Alright, let's head off. I actually haven't tried this map before. I was just looking through his workshop and just realised I haven't actually tried it out. Oh, this looks cool. Oh, we've got a little water washout. Get up onto there. And through we go. Up. Sort of looks like a course to go through, like an off-road track. Put this in drive and see if it'll make us move. Excuse me. Oh, it's bouncy through here, jeez. Your troop carrier nearly went fishing. Could have gone fishing through them. Up and over we go. Things revving its life away. Oh, we're up. Put this back in drive. I just like putting in low for the water washout so it's not trying to change gears. Oh, that was bouncy. I'm liking it so far, it's nice, it's different. A little bit of mud sort of caught me off guard, it got me there. Come on, pop it in high and get through here. Oh. One monster. Cool, more water. More water. Loves it. Oh, I've got to slow this down a little bit now. I'm getting a little bit silly. What's the word? Get a bit carried away. Crazy. Oh, no, I meant to put it in auto. Probably leave it in auto and see how it goes. Oh. See if we can get that wheel on there. Is he going to stall out? No, it's going to keep going. I'm trying to feather the throttle a little bit so I'm not smashing through these really fast. It's still in high, and it's going to stop. Come on. That looks good. Definitely going to have a bit of fun going through that. Alright, now for the fun bit. The whole map's been fun, but this bit looks really good. Can have a ball going through this. Just going to slow this down and admire some flex. Didn't really pick my line very well. Let's bring this back a little bit and like low. Get that wheel up. It's getting through, well enough. Can't complain with that. See if we can get that driver wheel up in the back of that truck body. I'll sort of go through it. Now here we go. There we are. Perfect. That was a good line. Oh, look at that. So we can get that wheel up a little bit more. You know, comfortable with that. That looks nice. Pop this over that one. Oh, got myself a little bit stuck here, I think. I didn't really go for the best line. And that works too. Get that wheel through, we're good. Oh, it's going to squeeze through there. That was really fun. Whoa! Get this out of my way. Use the old troopy, that's it. Battering ram. You're in my way. Just push it out of the way for the sake of it. Don't mess with the troop carrier. Show the boss who's boss. Probably be able to get through probably all this in just the one video. Go for a bit of the water. Didn't want to completely miss it. Probably sort of ideal to go through this a bit quicker, maybe. Whoa! Because the arrow's going to snap off in a minute. I need center. Actually thought that was going to be real easy to get through. Actually, a lot trickier than I thought. Which is a jump. This guy's do some bush bashing. This is legit. Whoa! Sort of figured there's a jump there was there for a reason. Might as well just jump it. Oh, it's still in high and it's moving. Come on. As long as we can keep moving, we should be good. Oh, we're slowing down. No, we're still moving right. Come on. Still in high too. Just try and head to the side a bit here. Whole way through high and it didn't stop. Oh, I like this bit. It's nice. Come on, old troopy. No, it's gonna stall out. Here we are. That's it, let's flick some mud. Come on. I just had a real stupid moment when I was going through that water just then. Honestly thought this was in high. I was thinking, Jesus, it's going slow for in high. And then I just realised it's got out, it was in low 3. Oh, we've got a proper hill coming up here. Oh, this is going to call for some high range. Just real quick, let's stop here before we go. Alright, yeah, this is going to be a big one. It's the final obstacle. So we ended up fitting the whole go in one video. Let's just go for it. So, whoa. It's proper go. Whoa. Do some doughies quickly. Whoa. Guys really falling out. Alright, that's enough. That was a real quick run, that was good. It's fun. Alright guys, well if you did enjoy, thank you for watching. That'll be it for this one. Have a good one.